Hey kids! Welcome to KidsKod. Today we are going to learn something super exciting. We will build our very first website using HTML. Don't worry, it's easier than you think. First, let's understand what HTML is. HTML stands for Hypertext Markup Language. It is the language used to create websites. Every website you visit on the internet is built using HTML. Think of coding like building with blocks. Each block creates a different part of a website. Some blocks make titles, some create text, and others add pictures or buttons. Let's write our first HTML code. The H1 tag creates a big title on the page. P tag creates a paragraph of text. When we run this code, the computer shows it on the web page. Look at this. Code we wrote created a real web page. This is how websites are built step by step. Just a few lines of code can create something amazing. When you learn coding, you can build many cool things. You can create games, websites, apps, and even robots. Coding helps you become a creator, not just someone who uses technology. Now it's your turn. Try writing your own HTML code. Change the text and create your first web page. Practice is the best way to become a great coder. Try it now in the KidsKod playground. Great job today! If you want to learn more coding in a fun and simple way, subscribe to KidsKod. We share new coding lessons every week. See you in the next video.